Posting is the process when transactions and amounts are saved to customer balances. Before posting a transaction batch, it must be marked as ready to post, if this feature is used. In the company profile, you may choose to define batches created by specified entry methods as not ready to post by default. This means that an intentional action to indicate a batch is ready must be taken, so accidental posting does not occur. To do this, highlight any or all batches in the grid, and click the Ready to Post button. A confirmation question appears to change the ready status. Batches can also be marked as not ready to post in the same way. Also, batches may require printing or emailing invoice forms, depending on a setting in the company profile. To post one or more batches, you can access either the Post button on the toolbar or the Post menu and choose Invoice Batches to select a single or range of batches. Posting is also available directly from the batch entry screen, allowing any selection of batches, even those not consecutive. Posting requires exclusive access to many company data records, so if another user is working in a record about to be updated, a message may appear to indicate that posting is not currently accessible and to try again later. Click the Post button to begin the process. You may configure backup options to make a data backup prior to posting, which may take a few moments depending on the volume of transactions in the selected batches and the size of the company data. If some batch entries contain errors, those entries with errors will be moved to a new error batch for correction, and those entries without errors will be posted. Successfully posted batches will update customer transactions and statistics, and create transactions to retrieve into Adagio Ledger and Adagio Sales Analysis if integrated. A posting journal report with complete batch information is also created. This report can be set to immediately print after posting, with a company profile option labeled as such, for only the current sequence, so that only batches you just posted are included. In addition to selecting the most recent or some other range of posting sequences, there are some other options for this report. Transactions can be sorted either by customer number, date, or document number within each posted batch. Other options are available for paid breaks and numbering, and whether a ledger distribution summary prints at the end. Print the report to paper or generate a PDF of the results. Batch posting journals may also be printed by accessing the Post menu. They are the best source of determining transaction activity for audit purposes. For this reason, all posting journal information is purged only as part of year-end processing and cannot be cleared prior to then. Post transaction batches regularly to keep your customer reports and statements up to date. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.